Hello friend, and welcome back to another video. So you can see in this video just I'm showing about timing euro. You can see here the crank shaft, and this side you can see here that is mark. In this video just I'm showing timing euro and timing mark. It is same, but someone say timing different, but someone says timing mark, someone says timing euro, but it's same. Okay, we have already in this car changed crankshaft, because you can see here everything we open from front side, bumper, radiator, because see here everything is open. And this car have Audi A5 2018 model. Okay, that is 2018 model Audi A5, you can see here. And what happens if the camshaft is bad? It is little difficult, because sometimes different and sometimes different problem is coming, not same all time, but mostly pickup problem, engine cranking but not starting, like that. And that is old one, we already replaced the camshaft. And so you can see the cam engine timing, that is cam engine timing camshaft, and that is second one. And offside for other one for wall cover. And that is down, you can see here also chain and mark. The downside crankshaft you can see here also, and offside. So that is engine timing Audi A5 2018 model.